Hello guys, welcome back to TechBeast. So guys, today we are having the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So let's see what it has got. Guys, this is the box. As you can see, the box itself is very beautiful. On the front side, it says it has got a 48MP camera, which is Sony IMX586 sensor, which is also used in OnePlus 7 Pro, Asus Zenfone 6, etc. But all the 48MP craze started with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. On the back side, it says it has a Type-C port for charging and also has an headphone jack. It is expandable up to 256GB storage. It packs the Snapdragon 675 overclocked processor which can go up to 2.2 GHz. As usual, it has a 4000 mAh battery. Now let's open the box. But guys, this isn't a proper unboxing video as the box was opened in the mobile shop itself. This is a 4GB RAM 64GB ROM variant. Now let's see the box contents. We have a free TPU case for the phone in the box itself. And these are the user manuals. Now let's see the phone. This phone supports dual volt and it has hybrid SIM slot. Let me show you. So guys, now let's switch on the phone. Here the booting animation has been changed. Here is a dot notch which reminds us the first smartphone with notch, the essential phone. I've installed Poco Launcher to enhance the feel. So guys, in the next video we will cover the camera segment of this phone, which is really awesome at this price point. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, share this video, and after subscribing our channel, do not forget to press the bell icon. So we will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.